Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad, estimation, quantity surveying and valuation. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Earthwork for roads and canals. In previous videos, we did this problem mean sectional area method and Prismadal method. In this one, the same problem we'll do in mid-sectional area method. Calculate the quantity of earthwork for 200 meter. You listen carefully. Here, see, note given data in your notebook. See this is length L, capital L equal to 200 meter length, and portion of a road is uniform. This you note point. The D1, D2 heights of the banks at two ends are D1 is 1 and D2 is 1.6 meters. The formation width is 10 meters. That is capital B is 10 meters. Side slopes are 2:1 means S equal to 2. You know down S equal to 2. There is no transverse slope. So mid-sectional area method, height is D1 equal to 1, height to D2 equal to 1.6 as I discussed. Given data formation width B equal to 10 meters, height of the mid section DM equal to D1 plus D2 by 2, where D1 is the first sectional depth and D2 is end sectional depth. See, average is 2, 1 plus 1.6 by 2, that is 1.3 meters. Now area of the mid section is BDM and SDM square. Okay, this is 10 into 1.3 into plus 2.1.3 whole square, but that is equal to 16.38 square meter. What is quantity volume area into length? This midsection area, that is 16.38 into 200, you got 3.27. See here, by midsection, here you got how much value? 3.7. And by mean sectional area, you got 3312 cubic meter. Okay, and Prismadal is 3288 cubic meter. This is cubic meter. Now you got this is less than this value 3276 cubic meter. See, this is mean section, right? This is mean section. Right. Just I will write mean. Okay. This is next one is here Prismadal. Okay. Just I will write PRI Prismadal rule. Okay. Now this is your midsection. If you observe three things, in mean sectional area you got more quantity. In midsection, the quantity is red. So, but these are values are very near comparatively. This is a huge amount. In this large amount, this is negligible, but the accuracy is by Prismadal method only. That is, here you got 3280 cubic meter. By solving by mid-sectional area, you got 3276 cubic meter, and by mean section 3312 cubic meter, right? This is cubic meter, right? So, but Prismadal, you got 3288 cubic meter. So, I want to show you the difference between these three methods what is the difference by calculating different methods. So this is, you can ask solve by mean section, mid section, and prismatic section. So first you remember, mid section means you take average depths of first section and last section, and main sectional area means first area sectional area, last sectional area average. Okay, and formation is A1, this prismatic is A1 plus A2 plus 4 AM by into L by 6. So that is the very important here. See, we observe that three formulae used for the same problem, we got different values. So we can say prismatic is more accurate than mean section and mid section area. So compare these methods. In mean section area, you will get slightly higher side. In mid section area, you will get lower side. But you will, by prismatic method, you will get same. Area of side slope of surface. How to calculate surface area? See, if you see here, now I will show you this figure. If you see this figure, now this is surface area. This L, this D. How to calculate this area? Okay, that is our question now. This is slope area. Now our this we will do gardening or earthwork, something rocking. We'll do these sides. Okay, so how to calculate this slope area? That is the question. How to calculate that area? Here, area of side slope is equal to L into D, D into under square root of S square plus 1. How to calculate? See, here, if you see, so this is, say you have here trapezoidal, I have taken one triangle, here SD and D. If you take this, calculate D into under root, total this under root S square plus 1. So that is the, here I'm trying to explain, this is the area of side slope. So you remember this formula, D into under square under root S square plus 1. See, this is side slope. Into your length you will get area. Okay. So this is very important formula in calculations. See, we'll see one problem here. Calculate the area of the side of slopes of a portion of a bank for length of 200 meters. The heights of the banks are two sections, 2.5 meters and 3.5 meters, and ratios of side slopes are 2:1. If the side slopes are to be provided with 15 centimeter thick stone pitching, we have to calculate pitching area. Calculate the cost of pitching area at rate cost 200 per cubic meter. Okay, this is the problem we have to calculate. Here mean height D1 plus D2 by 2, that is 2.5 plus 3.5 meters by 2, that is we got 3 meters. Sloping breadth at the midsection equal to D square under root D under root S square plus 1. Okay, so that's equal to, you got 6.71, and area of two sides equal to your length 2 into 200 into 6.71. You got here 2684 square meter. Okay. Here, how much you got? 2000. Area of side slopes, you got 2684. You have taken average depth and two sides, that slope into your length, you will get total area of pitching area, and quantity of area, that is 15 centimeters, that is you convert into meters, area into thickness, you will get the total cubic meter required. That cost of stone pitching is 402.6 into 400, that is 1,61,040 rupees. So this way we have to calculate cost of the pitching. Here only thing is you must understand this equation. See this equation, how to calculate the slope. Only thing is, if you know D and S, you know this area from the figure. If you parallel, that is if you draw this one, okay, here okay, here see how is your pitching area, like this, okay, maybe like this, okay. See this we have to calculate. How to calculate? If you know the slope into length, in the same way we have to calculate. So same way we calculated here and got total quantity of pitching and cost. This quantity into cost, you will get total cost of the stone pitching. In next class, next video, we'll see some more problem.